Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today let's just talk about how can we convert the Autocad drawing to PDF. Alright, so let's get right into it. First, whenever you draw something in Autocad, then simply you need to print that out as well. Right, so simply you can do it by two ways. Just go to the file, go to the flat, or simply you can print it, Control P, and from here you can do page setup. Here you can import. If you have already existed setup of the page, you can add by the name of setup 1, and in print plotter you can select the printer on that you just want to print this out, and from here you can select the page size. For now you can either select A3, which most probably people are using, but this time if you want to select the A4 page, which is better, and you can add some offsets as well, and from here you can choose the number of copies that you want to be. Great. And when you want to click on the preview, let's go to the preview, right? So you can click on apply to layout, and once you click OK, but the printer must be connected with your laptop, PC, or whatever you are. So this was all about today lecture, so hope you got the point. This is nothing. Sometimes people are good to save as, but here we don't get the PDF option, so people get confused. So this was a simple way. Stay tuned and keep watching my tutorials. Thanks for watching.